Welcome to Partners for Results. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the application. Everything starts with the Power Standard maintenance option. And here is where we can create our Power Standards instructional objectives, which drives the whole application. All I need to do is select Power Standard Maintenance. And this brings up the following menu. Here I can select a department. So for example, I can select grade 1. And this will show me all the power standards that I have set up for this grade. And I can also add a new power standard. For this demo, I'm just going to show you one of the existing power standards. So what I'm doing now is selecting a power standard 1M, which stands for first grade math. And as you can see here, these are all the power standard elements that have been identified for this course. So these are the things that the students will know by the end of the course. In addition to that, for every power standard we can attach to one or more courses. In this case I have this power standard attached to first grade math. Once I have all the power standards entered, I can then add our instructional objectives. And these are the specific skills that the students must know. And you can see that we have them all time phased by term or quarter. And then from this screen I can also add an instruction objectives, and I can also delete them. But here what we're doing is attaching each instruction objective to one of the power standard elements and the term, and we also assign it an instruction objective number, which is a sequence that the students will learn all these instructional objectives. After we've created all the instruction objectives, we can export those all to Word by selecting the Export to Word option. This screen looks similar to the Power Standard Maintenance, where I can select a department. In this case I will again select grade 1. I will select my first grade math. I will select all terms. I could select one term or all. In this case again I will select all. And then I just click on the Export to Word button. And what this will do is we'll take all the power standards that we entered and write them out to Microsoft Word. And as you can see, they're all listed here. And the nice thing by putting them into Word, you can go in and put your own headings on. The teacher could put their name and their phone number or whatever, or email address, and could hand this out to parents. We also, under the Power Standard screen, have a curriculum map. And what we do with the curriculum map is we'll take all the instructional objectives that we've entered, Power Standards and instructional objectives, and be able to input any resources and vocabulary words, and it will show all the assessments associated with that. To do that, I again select the department, this grade 1. I'll select my first grade math course, and what that will do is bring up, it'll pull in all the instruction objectives for this course. So when I select the first grade math, it will list all the instruction objectives. Over here, if I click on this little down arrow, it'll show me all the power standard elements and any courses that have been associated with this power standard. Just click on this to move it out of the way. And again, what we have there are all the instruction objectives. We can add any resources and tools, the academic vocabulary, and over here would be the evidence of learning, which are any assessments that have been associated with each of those instructional objectives. The next module I want to show you is the assessment module. In the assessment maintenance is where we create like an answer sheet for each of the assessments.